Hello everyone, I'm Shruti Shukla, the principal of Kanakya International School IB. Today we have with us the IVDP toppers of the batch of 2025. Can you please introduce yourselves?
My name is Ira Shah.
My name is Delisha Buricha.
My name is Uchittu Rakhya.
So Uchit, can you tell us a little bit about what are the things you attribute your success to?
During IB, it was a very difficult journey as it was very challenging at first because it was a very new curriculum. Taking up new subjects like computer science, it offered me a opportunity to go out of the box and try new things. So that was one thing that I really enjoyed learning as it was new, and I successfully secured a 7 in that. So I'm very proud of that achievement.
What about you, Delisha? Were there any study routines, any strategies that really helped you in the process?
I think it's very important to remember that it's a 2 year course for a reason. So if you just expect to be done with it in 6 months, the last 6 months, it's not worth it. You have to dedicate 2 years of your life because it's a very demanding course, but in the end, very rewarding.
Right. What about you, Ira?
I agree with Delisha, especially because it is very challenging, but it's also quite rewarding. And I think it's very important to take subjects you genuinely enjoy. So, my higher level subjects, English, psychology, and global politics, were subjects that I love, especially because I'm doing law at after 12th. So, time management is also incredibly important. Like I said, it's like 2 years. So, if you don't manage your time well, then you're not going to be able to succeed well. So, yeah.
Right. And is there any one special moment or one special event that happened in the last few years that you would like to talk about?
Honestly, IB is such a blur because it was, again, 2 years of our life. But I think every time that we took our mocks and we realized that we were getting better and better with every exam, it was always like very important to realize that there is a path to getting better. You're not automatically going to get a 7 in your first cycle test. So that realization that you can get better and you can improve was very important for all of us.
Right. What about you, Delisha? Anything that you would want to
I
add?
think I remember throughout the 2 years always torturing my teachers with doubts, whether it's Suchi ma'am herself for physics or Amruta ma'am for bio. I've always kind of been relentless, and I think I might have. I might have been irritating at times, but in the end, that is my like to just see your teachers take out their time and effort for you, even replying back if it's like 2 days before the board paper at like 11 o'clock at night, just seeing that they're with you in this journey. It was so nice and it was so heartwarming to see that it's not just you alone in this journey, but also your teachers, your peers, and also your parents. It's very important.
For me, one moment would be when I got the math 7 in boards because, as we all found out, the maths paper was quite challenging this time. Especially the paper 3. So, that was one of the moments that I was very surprised because all my efforts paid off in the end.
So you've all said that the IBDP is a very challenging curriculum, but I have seen all of you participate in some or the other extracurricular activities. So what are the some of the things that you really enjoyed in the school?
This year I organized, last year I organized RFL. So that was one event that we enjoyed a lot because it was a 1 day event in school. Not only studies, but it offered us an opportunity to do something for the cancer patients and raise funds. So that was one experience I really enjoyed.
Together, Ira and I and two more of our friends, we headed prom last year in DP1, and I think it really allowed us a chance to hone our other skills, not just in academics, but also our collaboration skills, communication skills, teamwork, and I think it was a really good break that the school offered us to from, like how challenging IB is and how much it demands. So it was a good like break from all the academics.
I think there's also a lot of Model UN our school makes us become a part of. And every year we have Cayman, which is an incredible event, a 2 day event. And for anybody who loves international relations and politics, it's a blast, honestly. And that was something very important for me. I've been doing it since the 5th grade. And also, our school takes leadership very seriously and offers students the opportunity to become elected for different roles right from the 7th grade. So, in the 11th grade, I was vice president, and that was very important for me because it allowed me to develop leadership skills and hone my leadership skills along with my peers.
Right. So, if you could, in one word or one phrase, talk about Kanakya and your journey here, what would that be?
I'd say rewarding. It's kind of, you put in the effort and it's incredibly rewarding in the end. That's what I would use to describe Kanakya.
So, unlike a lot of my friends and classmates, I joined in the second half of second semester of 7th grade. But even then, it was a challenging time. It was COVID. But in spite of that, I received such a warm welcome from everyone, from my teachers, my classmates. So, and I felt like I fit in. And I think it's just a journey of warmth and in the end, friendships forged for life.
I would describe this journey as smooth and flexible because, as we know in Kanakya, compared to other schools, our deadlines were quite flexible. So, with the IAs and all the other submissions of EE and all, so because of that, it made the process very easy as we had the flexibility of choosing when to submit and we got more time compared to other people. So that was very helpful.
Right. So, once again, we'd like to congratulate you for your achievement. But before you leave, can you tell me what is it that you want to do in college? What colleges have you applied to? Where are you planning to study?
So I have applied in UK and I've gotten admission in UCL and King's and I've gotten admission in Ashoka and NMIMS. So I'm focusing on a degree in commerce, so mostly economics. So I'm still deciding what to do.
I'm planning to pursue medicine in Australia, and the applications are going to start in a month or two. So, yeah, this IB result will definitely help me for it, and hopefully in a few months I get into my dream university, which is Monash University.
I've applied to UK and India. So in the UK, I got into Durham and King's for law. And in India, I got into OP Jindal and Ashoka. So I'm going to go to London this September for law in King's.
We wish you all the best for the future, and I'm sure you will surpass the high standards that you've always set for yourself. All the
Thank you
best.
so much.